So today we're going to be replacing the start and stop button on this 2016 Land Rover Discovery Sport. Tools required for this is going to be a pry tool and a fine flathead screwdriver to get in there. As you can see here, this button is completely damaged. As you can see, there's a small indentation right there, so you want to squeeze that and get the button off. And now you're ready to install your new button. Just want to go ahead and match up the connections. Sure it's fastened, and these just go in on pressure. As you can see here,